Have you looked in the mirror lately and felt like your body is aging faster than it should? What if I told you that the dangerous fat wrapped around your organs right now could be silently destroying your liver, slowing your metabolism, draining your energy, and you may not even feel it happening? Doctors call it the silent killer, because most people don't notice the damage until it's too late. But here's the shocking part. Scientists discovered that in just 10 days, your body can begin reversing fatty liver and burning visceral belly fat if you trigger the right biological switch. One simple mistake most people make every morning is feeding the fat instead of starving it. Stay until the end, because what you're about to hear could completely transform your body from the inside out. Imagine waking up one morning, feeling a familiar heaviness, a persistent dullness that no amount of coffee or willpower seems to shift. You look in the mirror, and there it is, that stubborn belly fat, an unwelcome guest that seems to resist every diet and workout. You might dismiss it as just part of getting older, a consequence of modern life. But what if I told you that this seemingly innocuous padding and an even more insidious condition lurking beneath the surface could be silently orchestrating a profound sabotage of your health? This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about survival. I'm talking about fatty liver and the pervasive presence of visceral belly fat. These aren't just minor inconveniences, they are silent assassins, increasing your risk of a heart attack, fueling Alzheimer's-related neuroinflammation, and slowly, irreversibly, damaging the very organ that filters your life, your liver. For too long, we've been told that to lose weight and get healthy, we need to push harder, eat less, and sweat more. But what if the very strategies we've been diligently pursuing are actually making things worse? What if our well-intentioned efforts are inadvertently triggering our bodies to store more fat in our liver and around our vital organs? This was my wake-up call, and it might be yours too. I discovered a truth that completely reshaped my understanding of health, energy, and longevity. It turns out that seemingly innocent morning fruit smoothie, packed with natural sugars, or that intense, high-impact workout you push through before breakfast, might actually be sending your body into a state of chronic stress, signaling it to hoard fat rather than burn it. Your liver, an incredible diligent organ, uses a powerful enzyme called lipoprotein lipase, or LPL, to make a critical decision every single moment, whether to burn the fat circulating in your bloodstream for energy or to tuck it away for safekeeping. When your liver is overloaded, constantly bombarded with sugars and stress hormones, that LPL enzyme flips the switch. Instead of burning, it signals storage. And where does it store this excess fat? Right where it causes the most harm. Around your organs, creating that dangerous visceral fat, and directly within the liver itself, leading to fatty liver disease. It's a protective mechanism gone awry, a desperate attempt by your body to shield itself from what it perceives as an overwhelming threat. But here's the truly inspiring part. You have the power to reverse this. Not in months, not in years, but in a surprisingly short amount of time. I'm talking about a profound shift that you can begin to feel and see in just 10 days. This isn't a magic pill or an extreme deprivation diet. It's a gentle, yet incredibly effective protocol that works with your body's natural rhythms, not against them. It's about understanding the subtle signals your body is sending and responding with wisdom, not brute force. This 10-day protocol is built upon 5 foundational steps, each designed to reset your metabolism, calm your nervous system, and empower your liver to do what it does best: burn fat, detoxify, and regenerate. Step 1. Modify your morning sugar intake. Let's begin with the dawn, with the very first thing you put into your body. For decades, we've been conditioned to believe that fruit is the epitome of health, especially in the morning. But when your liver is already struggling, even natural sugars from fruit can be an overload, spiking blood sugar and triggering that fat storage response. So, for these 10 days, and ideally beyond, we make a crucial adjustment. Avoid all sweet fruits, fruit juices, and even honey before noon. Yes, that means no more banana smoothies or orange juice to kickstart your day. Instead, start your morning with a simple, yet powerful elixir. A warm glass of water with the juice of half a lemon and a pinch of sea salt. This gentle concoction wakes up your digestive system, primes your liver, and provides essential minerals without any sugar spike. Follow this with a savory breakfast. Think eggs with spinach, avocado toast on whole grain bread, or a bowl of oatmeal with nuts and seeds rather than fruit. This simple switch allows your liver to focus on burning fat from the get-go, rather than being forced to process a sugar rush. It sets the tone for a day of metabolic balance. Step 2. Escape the cortisol trap. Many of us believe that to truly transform our bodies, we need to push ourselves to the brink with high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, first thing in the morning. While intense exercise has its place, when your body is already under stress from a fatty liver and visceral fat, these strenuous workouts can actually backfire. They trigger a surge of cortisol, your body's primary stress hormone. And guess what cortisol does? It signals your body to store fat, particularly around your midsection, and it further burdens your liver. It's a vicious cycle. For these 10 days, we replace strenuous, high-stress exercises with a more gentle, yet profoundly effective approach. Instead of hitting the gym hard, commit to a gentle 20-minute walk after dinner. This isn't about breaking a sweat. It's about aiding digestion, gently lowering blood sugar, and signaling to your body that it's safe and calm. Even more powerful is the practice of deep breathing. 4 times a day, take just 10 slow, deep belly breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your belly expand, hold for a few seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, letting all the tension go. This simple act dramatically reduces cortisol, shifts your nervous system into a healing state, and sends a clear message to your liver. It's safe to burn, not store. Step 3. Activate bile flow. Bile is an unsung hero of detoxification and fat metabolism. Produced by your liver and stored in your gallbladder, bile acts like a natural detergent, breaking down fats for digestion and carrying toxins out of your body. When bile flow is sluggish, fats aren't properly processed and toxins get reabsorbed, creating a massive burden on your liver. To reactivate this vital process, we introduce 3 powerful allies. First, consider supplementing with artichoke extract before meals. Artichoke is known to stimulate bile production and flow, helping your body emulsify fats more efficiently. Second, in the morning, incorporate milk thistle. This ancient herb is a powerhouse for liver health, renowned for its ability to protect liver cells and support detoxification pathways. Third, in the afternoon, swap out that sugary drink for a cup of roasted dandelion root tea. Dandelion is a gentle diuretic and a fantastic liver tonic, further encouraging healthy bile flow and assisting in the elimination of waste. These additions aren't just about supplements. They're about providing your liver with the tools it needs to perform its crucial fat processing and detoxifying functions with renewed vigor. Step 4. Eliminate waste with fiber. A healthy gut is absolutely fundamental for a healthy liver. If your digestive system isn't efficiently eliminating waste, toxins can build up and get reabsorbed, placing an enormous strain on your liver. Think of it like a clogged drain. Everything backs up. We need to ensure a clear, consistent pathway for waste removal. For these 10 days, make fiber your best friend. Add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to your meals daily. You can sprinkle it over your savory breakfast, mix it into a salad, or even stir it into your afternoon dandelion tea. Ground flaxseed is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, which not only promotes healthy bowel movements, but also binds to toxins in your gut, preventing their reabsorption. Additionally, make sure to eat at least 1 cup of cooked cruciferous vegetables daily. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are rich in compounds that support the liver, AEES detoxification enzymes, and provide bulk to help sweep waste out of your system. This step is about ensuring that once your liver processes toxins, they are promptly and effectively removed from your body, reducing the burden and allowing your liver to heal. Step 5. Protect the liver's night shift. Your liver is a nocturnal worker, performing much of its critical repair and detoxification while you sleep. But in our modern world, we often disrupt this vital night shift with artificial light and stimulants. The blue light emitted from screens, especially late at night, suppresses melatonin production, a hormone essential for deep, restorative sleep and for signaling your liver to begin its repair cycle. To honor your liver's hard work, establish a strict bedtime ritual for these 10 days. Turn off all screens, phones, tablets, computers, and even TV by 10:30 p.m. Give your eyes and your brain a chance to wind down naturally. Approximately 30 minutes before bed, drink a small glass of water mixed with a splash of tart cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is a natural source of melatonin and anti-inflammatory compounds. This simple, soothing drink helps activate your body's natural sleep cycle, signaling to your liver that it's time to focus on regeneration and repair. It's a powerful, yet gentle way to ensure your liver gets the uninterrupted restorative time it needs to heal and prepare for the next day. The beauty of this protocol is that you won't have to wait long to feel the difference. Imagine the relief. By day 3, you'll likely notice the uncomfortable bloating begin to subside. Your digestive system will feel lighter, more efficient. By day 6, that stubborn afternoon fatigue, the one that used to send you reaching for another coffee or sugary snack, will be a distant memory. Your energy will be more consistent, your mind clearer, and by day 10, you'll look in the mirror and notice a tangible difference. Your clothes will fit better, your skin might have a healthier glow, and a profound sense of lightness and vitality will have returned. This isn't just about reversing fatty liver. It's about reclaiming your health, your energy, and your future. It's about empowering your body to heal itself, not through deprivation or extreme measures, but through understanding, respect, and consistent, loving care. You have the power within you to make these changes, to give your liver the break it deserves, and to transform your well-being in just 10 days. The journey begins now.